In the last lecture, we tried to find the year-to-date profits. Now let's try to find the percentage change of profit between the quarters from quarter 1 to quarter 4. Obviously, the first quarter will not have any change, so the percentage increase should start in quarter 2 here. So to get the change from quarter 1 to quarter 2, we can simply subtract this change. We can subtract quarter 1 from quarter 2, and we'll see the change, and we'll divide it by quarter 1. Let's insert that simple formula here is equal to C6 minus B6, and we'll divide it by B6. Here quarter 1 B6, we can't enter this formula. We should enclose it by a parenthesis, otherwise the result will be wrong. So this is the result. If we didn't enclose with a parenthesis, so the result will be very different. It's 59. That's wrong. So we should consider always the order of operation. So now we can drag this formula to copy to the other quarters. Now this is a change. We can decrease the decimal. 2 decimal plus is enough. We can make it percentage. So this is a change.